Are you looking to improve your public speaking skills? Do you get lost when it comes to how do I create a powerful presentation? Do you feel nervous anytime you are in front of an audience? If your answer is yes, you have come to the right place. My name is Gulshan Harjani, and I am here to help you create and deliver your next presentation powerfully and confidently. Over the past 17 years, I've had the experience of conducting training and coaching programs on public speaking and presentation skills in over 28 cities across 10 countries in Asia. I've also had the opportunity to work with CEOs, leaders, managers, corporate trainers, data scientists, doctors, teachers, and business professionals from some of the world's most successful organizations. From my 17 years of experience, I have compiled some of the most powerful techniques from the expert public speakers into this book called Talk It Easy. Now, no matter who your audience is or what your objective is, here are 3 reasons how this book will help you create and deliver your message powerfully and confidently. First, this book is a step-by-step guide that will help you create any presentation or any speech that you ever have to deliver. 2, it is filled with practical knowledge. There's no theory, it's all practical stuff that you can use immediately. And 3, it is written in simple English, making it very easy to read and understand. Now, if you are still unsure if this book is for you, let me share this with you. Now, I am so confident that this book will help you that I will give you 100% money back guarantee. If you find that this book was not useful or that you did not get anything from it, I will refund you the full amount with no questions asked. So, you really have nothing to lose. Now, what do you need to do? All you need to do is click on this link to see where can you get this book. I assure you, this will be one of the best investments you have ever made in helping yourself become a more powerful and confident public speaker. Cheers!